Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all, my all every friends? I hope so that my all viewers are fine and good. God bless you. Keep smiling and always be happy in your life. First of all, I'm welcome to you at this channel. So friends, my all previous videos are related to different type of hairstyling, hair cutting ideas. So today in this video, you can see amazing and unique woman curtain bangs haircut ideas. These are so attractive and so classy. I hope so that you will love these ideas. You can make your own hairstyle with using these ideas. I hope so you will love these hairs cutting ideas. So guys, here are some stylish ideas for women curtain bangs haircut. Now the first one is a soft wave with curtain bangs. Pair long soft wave with curtain bangs that frame the face beautifully. This look is relaxed and perfect for bohemian vibes. Now the next is a straight hair with layered curtain bangs. Option for sleek straight hair with long layered curtain bang. This look offer a modern touch and work well for straight or slightly wavy hair. Now the next is a texture bob with curtain bangs. A texture bob with curtain bangs add dimension and movement. The bang can be slightly shorter to enhance the overall look. So viewers, now the next one is long layer with face framing bangs. Combine long layer with curtain bangs that softly blend into the layer. This style add volume and frame the face elegantly. Now the next is a shaggy curtain bang. A shape curtain with choppy layered and curtain bangs create a trendy edgy look. This style is perfectly for adding texture and personality. So now the next is a curly hair with curtain bangs. Embrace your natural curls by adding curtain bangs. The bang can help frame your face while keeping the curl bouncy and voluminous. So guys, these ideas can be tailored to suit your different face shapes and hair type, making curtain bangs a versatile choice for many women. I hope so, guys, that you will love my all the collection. So if you love these ideas, you can download this video and you can take screenshot which one you like. And if you want new and latest updates related to hairstyling and hair cutting ideas, so guys, like my video and keep subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more and latest updates. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.